Hi, my name is Travis, and I'm the owner of Travis Chiropractic at 101st and Riverside in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Today I want to talk to you guys about one of the symptoms that we see in our office that people struggle with and chiropractic has tremendous success with, and I see a lot of people improve, and that is plantar fasciitis. And so you hear that and you go, what? Is that even a real thing? And it is. It is. We have it's a foot pain, typically on the bottom of the foot at the heel, and it causes people tremendous pain. A lot of times what we'll see is people will say, when I wake up in the morning and I take the first step out of bed, it feels like somebody's driving an ice pick into my foot and it hurts. And I can't really move, but after I get moving around, taking some steps, it'll start to feel better until I sit down and rest for an extended period, and then it hits me again. So what does all that mean to you? Are you experiencing this? Do you know someone that experiences this? They've tried different things and they've had mediocre or no results at all. It's definitely something that we see a lot of, and it's something that we can help, and I'm going to kind of explain the mechanism of that right now. So underneath the foot, on the heel, we have an insertion point of this fascia. This fascia runs from the heel down to the toes, and it kind of spreads. So you have the 5 toes connected, bringing this down into one solid point at the heel where this inserts. So the body's really good at recognizing when things are out of normal. So a lot of times in the plantar fascia, what we see is the heel or some bone in the foot is out of position. And that can be due to anything, trauma, posture, who knows, an ankle sprain. As that heel shifts, and we're talking, millimeter. So it's not something you're going to notice or see. It's just something that the body's going to adapt to because that's what we do. Over time, you have this piece coming into the heel like this. Now, if the heel's turned, it puts a ton of stress where this inserts, and the body is smart, and it says, hey, this fascia is trying to pull off, and that's an injury. So the body's going to try to adapt to that. And a lot of times it'll start to actually lay down calcium that you think of as a bone spur. And what that is, that's actually a protective mechanism from the body to not let that detach. And so that's one of the reasons people see the bone spurs in their foot. So chiropractically, the way we think about this is, hey, this is turned here. We're going to line this back up to the proper position. Number one, the first thing that's going to do is not let this detach anymore. The body's not going to try to protect this. And once this evens up, all that inflammation goes away. So when we think about the word plantar fasciitis, plantar is on the bottom of the foot. The fascia part, itis is inflammation. So we need to restructure the foot so that we can get rid of the inflammation. When the inflammation disappears, all the symptomology disappears as well. So in our office, the way we treat that is, of course, we're going to look at the feet themselves, see what's wrong. I'm also going to check out the knees, the hips, and the pelvis to make sure everything is lined up, because you're feeling it in your foot. It could be a pelvic issue where the actual body mechanics are off, and that's what causes the heel to turn. So we're going to figure out why this started originally. Then we're going to put the steps into place to address this. And it's really cool. We see a lot of plantar fascia in our office, and to see somebody come in and not be able to take those steps and then, within a short period of time, go back to like normal motion and function like it never happened. So if you know someone or if you experience this, you know how painful it can be. It's definitely something that we can have some success with, or we can help you find someone around you to have success with this. So again, please reach out and give us a call at 918-296-7587. You can reach us on our website at tulsafamilychiropractic.com. And my name is Travis, owner of Travis Chiropractic at 101st and Riverside, Tulsa, Oklahoma. Thank you.